Today at CRKT we are taking a look at the M1601KZ. This is a Kit Carson design. He designed it in Kentucky for everyday carry, and just a great little pocket knife. The overall length on it is 7 1/8 inches. The blade length is right at 3 inches. You can see it's got a black EDP finish on it there, as well as a spear point style blade. Now this knife has a locking liner as well as our auto locks feature right here. So to close the knife, simply pull down on that red tab, push over with your thumb, remove your index finger, and close the knife. So it adds one layer of security. Basically it sets a set pin up against that locking liner so that it doesn't come undone if you get grit, lint, that sort of thing in there. So again, to close it, simply pull down on that red tab, push over with your thumb, and close the knife. It's fairly easy to use, one-handed, and it adds that added layer of security to your knife. To open this blade, it has this flipper right here. Just put your index finger on there and open it right up. The handles are glass-filled nylon. They're very grippy in hand. Not too grippy, they're not going to chew your pocket up or anything like that, and they're comfortable. This has a one-position pocket clip on it. It is tip-down carry only. Here's a shot of it in my pocket to give you an idea of how it rides. Let me show you this knife in hand. It's right in that nice length with the blade and also in the handle to just feel comfortable as an everyday carry knife. You've got a little bit of jimping right there on the spine of the blade. Nice and comfortable. Let me show you a shot of this knife compared to a ruler to give you a size comparison. It does come up right at about 7 inches. Just a solid blade, again, designed by Kit Carson in Kentucky. This is the M1601KZ Everyday Carry Folding Pocket Knife. Thanks for watching, and thanks for carrying CRKT.
The Smith & Wesson SWB LS is a large folding knife designed for rapid deployment and rugged reliability. To open the black 3.60-inch part-serrated clip point blade, simply flip the safety switch to the off position, then engage the finger actuator. The magic opening system will then take over and deploy the blade. The rugged handle has perfectly placed finger contours for a secure grip. This is the Smith & Wesson SWB MP4 LS large folding knife, a quality tool designed for your most demanding needs.
This is the Schrade SCH205 Everyday Carry Folding Knife. Designed to be a capable, lightweight everyday carry cutting tool, the SCH205 sports a razor-sharp, fine-edge blade. Forged from tough, edge-retaining 9CR14 Movi high-carbon stainless steel, the SCH205 has a 3 1/4 inch drop point blade and is covered in a protective black coating. The drop point forms a strong tip for piercing and poking, and the knife's large belly ensures the SCH205 is capable of any cutting task, at home, in the shop, on the job, or in the field. A large choil at the base of the blade toward the handle allows for easy sharpening right to the end of the edge, and with care can be used with your forefinger for greater knife control. Jimping on the blade's spine toward the handle provides additional stability. The blade is housed safely in a handsome, solid aluminum handle. To close, simply use your thumb to move the liner lock to the side and carefully rotate the blade into the handle. The ambidextrous thumb knobs and smooth blade pivot make the knife easy to open in a moment's notice. The comfortable handle is overmolded with rubberized, textured grips that are strategically placed and set into the handle's water-channeling groove pattern to give a firm grip in any weather condition. A lanyard hole at the handle base allows you to add a length of cordage for added security. The SCH205's rugged 2-inch clip is designed for versatile everyday carry and holds the knife ready for action in a pocket or pack, and the convex clip end is made to secure the knife on your belt without the use of a sheath. Designed for comfortable everyday carry, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCH205 folding knife.
The Smith & Wesson SWB GTS Border Guard Liner Lock Folding Knife is 10 inches long and bridges the gap between folding and fixed blade knives. 7 CR17 high carbon stainless steel is used to create the 4.40-inch partially serrated clip point Tonto blade, ideal for any tactical or EDC cutting task. Open the blade with the ambidextrous thumb knobs. The handle, crafted from black aluminum with Track Tech inserts and finger cutouts, includes a strap cutter. This is the Smith & Wesson SWB GTS, a quality tool designed for your most demanding needs.